Today, we're going to learn how to draw a skeleton. When drawing anything, it's best to mark out basic shapes for your picture before you begin to add more detail. Use a pencil for this, and then use a pen to draw out the final line work. To begin, start by drawing a circle near the top of your page for the skull. We're then going to draw a line going down for the body, like you would draw a stick figure. Towards the top of this line, mark a short horizontal line for the shoulders. Then for the hips, add in another line across that is slightly longer. Now it's time to mark in the ribs. From the shoulder, draw a curved line that loops back to our body line. We can repeat this on the other side. Around our hip line, we're going to sketch the pelvis. Draw a C shape around the end of the line. Do a backwards C on the other side, where they join together at the bottom. We can pose our skeleton by using the limbs. At the end of each of the lines, draw small circles to mark out the joints. On one of the arms, draw a line diagonally, finishing it off with a small circle for the elbow joint. Draw an upwards line with a circle attached for the wrist joint. Now we can do something similar on the other side. You can choose your own pose, or you can follow our guide. As both arms have been drawn, it's time to move on down to the legs. Draw a line coming out of one of the hip joints, finishing this off with a circle. Then you can bring this line back in by adding on a circle to finish. Attach a circle and draw an oval shape for the foot. Repeat on the other side, where we're going to draw a straightened leg. A key tip to remember is making sure that your lines are roughly the same length. We don't want the limbs to be different sizes. Finally, we have a rough sketch of our skeleton. Now it's time to take your pen for our outlines and finer details. If you've made it this far, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. You can even press the bell button to get notifications for our next video. Starting with the head, we can mark in the top half with the pen. When you reach the cheeks, draw a small bump either side to mark out the cheekbones. After this point, instead of drawing a rounded chin, we need to make it slightly squared. To do this, draw down, across, and back up to connect to the other cheekbone. Next, inside our skull, mark a triangular nose and two big circles for the eye sockets. Using our body line as a central guideline, draw two lines either side that connect together. Then, draw a line along our shoulders that loops back. Moving on to the ribs, draw along our current markings and mark in some evenly spaced lines downwards to separate the ribs. Make sure each line has a slight downwards curve to it. Now we can move on to the pelvis. Follow our C-shaped lines and inside mark two circles, which is where our legs will go. We have our body. Let's move on to our limbs. Drawing alongside our arm, before you reach the elbow joint, draw an M shape that connects a line back to the shoulder. This creates our bone-looking shape. Adding in our circular elbow joint, draw in the rest of the arm, repeating the M shape at the end. When repeating this on the other side, make sure that we create our bone shapes. Once you've completed the skeleton's arms, we can do the same for the legs. Now we can mark in our hands. All you need to do is outline the circle and attach the fingers and thumbs. We can draw a sausage shape for each of the fingers. Moving on to our feet, draw around our oval shape and add in some little toes. Make these shorter than our fingers. For the fun part, add in some of the final details to make the skeleton look the part. Along the spine, add in a few lines going all the way down. These will show off all of the vertebrates that we have. For the fingers, draw 2 lines on each of them to mark out the different joints. Then, do 1 line for each of the toes. To finish off our skeleton, draw a line across the bottom half of the skull. Along this, mark short vertical lines for the teeth. Wait for the pen to dry, and you can rub out your pencil markings. Now that's how you draw a skeleton. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Look out to see what else you can draw with a few simple shapes.